When you start your website in China, what do you care about most? Yes, traffic. Then how to get more traffic in China? And I think since you are here, you have the same problem. You need more visitors to your website. The method of traffic explosion in China is totally different from other countries, because this space on the internet is separated independently. If you want to get the method of traffic explosion, just follow with me. Hi everyone, I'm Elena from Domatters. It's nice to meet you again. So what do we have in this video? What is the traffic explosion method? Let's go and have a look. The idea is super simple. Let's see, we have this article here. 4 ways marketing in China, how technology can help China service the pandemic. I want to get more traffic to this post. So what I have to do is writing this article to all over the internet, everywhere, so that I can get more awareness and more visitors. Then what should I do? Let's start with the first step. The first step is to go to Zhihu.com. If you don't know, it is a special platform with high quality question and answers community and an original content platform gathered by creators. It is very popular in China. People can share their knowledge, experience, and opinions and find their own solutions here. So this is a great platform where you can share your post. You have to sign up here and share your article. I log in the account directly because I have one. If you don't have, just sign up. You can see the platform here. You can register and log in with your mobile number or your social account like WeChat, QQ, or Microblog. Here, you can answer questions, post videos, and write articles or ideas. In here, these are lives, bookstore, round the table meeting, special column, and so on. Here are a lot of questions. The cool thing in Zhihu is you can create a blog here. You can see that it's very simple. Just come here and click. Share your articles and photos and so on. In this part, you can ask people who are in your field a wide range of questions, from very serious ones to very simple ones. But take note here. Go and learn Zhihu, create an account and grow your account and the profile on it while you are growing your website. You can get a lot of high quality traffic from it. Step number 2. Go to 百家号.baidu.com. On this website, we will post our articles. When someone searches the keywords on Baidu search engine, which is the world's leading Chinese search engine, the article will catch the traffic. Now we will click the button and post our articles. It is like any other platform. Besides, you should put on the cover and the summary. It's quite easy, right? The key is that you should pay close attention to the quality and headline of your articles so that everyone can be attracted by your post. Step 3. Go to Weibo.com. Here we will basically do 3 things. The first thing is post our articles here. Of course, Weibo requires a dedicated video, and you can add hashtags, pictures, and so on. On the right is the trending topic on time. The second thing is to join in the super topics in your field. You can find innumerable articles and messages in here, so when you post your articles, it also can be found by many people who want to read these kinds of posts. The third thing is join in the groups related to your post. Some may inspire you, and you can also share your articles here. So far, we have introduced 3 ways to get traffic for our articles. Next time, we will continue to introduce how to get traffic for the videos. Welcome to subscribe and watch it next time. Thank you. Bye bye.